Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Cox. Today I want to do a little writing lesson with you. This is going to be for week 8 of our school year. And today we are going to think a little bit about what we did last week, and then we're going to think a little bit about what we're going to do this week. So last week we were thinking about how we were all writers, and we have things in our head that we might want to write down on paper. We think about things that we know, think about things that we want to teach other people, and we think about how we can say them and write them down with pictures and words. So this week, we're going to think a little bit more about how we are all writers, and we're going to really try to make a picture in our mind about something we want to say. What's something that you would want to tell others about? What do you know about that you would want to share with others or just share with yourself? When we write, we're going to use our Language Arts notebook. This is something that is a great place for us to write down our ideas. We always want to start at the front and we turn the pages. Oh, here's what I did last week. I was thinking about my favorite food, mac and cheese. Ooh, I love it. Yeah, I was using my sound spelling to write those words. And I'm going to turn one more page. I'm going to use this page today. All right. So I'm going to use my next blank page. I think on my page, I think I could use this page. So today, I really want to picture in my head, what do I want to say? I want to make a picture in my head before I write it down, because that way I can know exactly what I'm going to write. Oh, I know what I want to write about today. I know something about giraffes. Giraffes are one of my favorite animals, and I know kind of a little bit about them, and I want to write it down so I can share it with myself, but also share it with other people too. So when I want to write about a giraffe, I want to draw a picture about it. I'm going to take a marker, but you could use a pencil. It's great to use a pencil when we're writing because that way if you make a mistake, you can erase it. I'm going to use a marker just so you can see it better since I'm on camera. All right, maybe I'll draw my giraffe. Here's going to be the ears. I'm just going to do a quick picture of what I think a giraffe might kind of look like. Yeah, and here's their tail. All right. And a giraffe for sure has this kind of big mouth. He's got all these like spots on him. They're all kind of different shapes. I'm just going to kind of do a quick one because I don't want to take a ton of time drawing my giraffe because I know you guys are all watching me. Oh, spots. That's something that I could write down. A giraffe has spots. Let's see. Let's write on the word spots for a minute. What letter is that? That's an S. I'm going to write an S. I'm going to try to see if I can think of more letters in the word. Spots. Let's think about the next letter after the S. Sp. Oh, what was that letter? I'm going to try to stretch out that word, and I thought that next letter was a P. P. Sp. Ah. Spots. Sp. Ah. Ooh, that sounds like an O, doesn't it? Spot. Kind of sounds like there's a T in there. Spot. I think there's another S on the end. There's more than one spot. Spots. Oh, yeah. There's the word spots. I'm going to point a little arrow because down on the body and on the neck, there's spots on my giraffe. Should we write the word giraffe too? Yeah, I think so. Let's see. Let's write it up here near the head. giraffe. J, j, j. That sounds like a J. J, jr. What does that sound like to you? An R? Me too. Giraffe. I hear an F in there. Giraffe. If I know the dictionary spelling, which I do because I'm a grown-up, the dictionary spelling spells it with an G. And there's two F's in the word. But it's okay if I don't know the dictionary spelling. If I want to use my sound spelling, that's fantastic. When I use my sound spelling, I'm stretching out the word, just like you guys were helping me with giraffe and spots. I wasn't saying it fast. Spots. That's hard to do. To tell what the letters are. I want to say the word slow. Did you hear me saying the word so slow? Spot. That's saying it super slow, and it's a little bit easier for me to hear what the letters are. Now, do you want to know one more thing about giraffes? Giraffes, they like to eat leaves on trees. That's one of the reasons that they're so tall, is that they like to eat leaves on trees. And some of these trees grow up really tall, and so giraffes can reach up high to go and eat those leaves. So I'm going to draw a leaf down here. And let's see if that giraffe is going to eat it. Let's see if he's going to eat the leaf. Let's write the word leaf. Oh, that's a great idea. Maybe I'll switch colors so we can write it really clear. All right, I'm going to point my little arrow. Leaf. Let's see if we can stretch that word out. Help me see if we can write that word leaf. Leaf. How many sounds did you hear? Leaf. I heard 3 sounds. Let's see if we can write it. Leaf. 3 sounds. All right, what's that first sound? What letter is that? Yeah, that's an L. E. What's that middle sound? E. Oh, that's an E. You're right. E. What letter is that? Yeah, that's an F. Leaf. Leaf. Wow, nice job. If you know the dictionary spelling, you can always spell it with the dictionary spelling too. L-E-A-F. That's the dictionary spelling. But we are using our sound spelling and saying it real slow so we can stretch out those words. Nice job helping me. We spelled giraffe. With our sound spelling, we spelled spots. We spelled leaf. Wow, look at this awesome writing that you helped me with. We drew a picture, we wrote some words, and guess what? Now, I look back at my work and I think about if there's anything else that I want to add right now. Is there anything else I want to add? Not right now, but if I had something else to add, I could add more of a drawing. I could add more words. I could think about maybe what would come next for this giraffe. He's going to eat a leaf. And then what's he going to do? I could go and write on my next page what's going to happen next for that giraffe. Alrighty. Thank you so much for helping me do some writing today. Today, I want you to see if you can draw something that you know a lot about. Do you know about an animal? I wrote about an animal today. Maybe you want to write about an animal too. Alright? But you could draw about something else, something that you know a lot about that you want to show. Don't forget, draw, See if you can write some words. And then don't forget to take a picture of it and send it to me. I'd love to see it. All right, have a good time.